Hello and welcome to the Landmark Mandarin Oriental Hong Kong. I'm just going to give you a quick room tour of my suite. L900 suite is the room category. It's room 1313 on the 13th floor of this skyscraper. So, as you can see, as you walk in, you are immediately confronted with this incredible, massive circular marble bathtub. I'll give you a proper look in a minute, but just to the left here is your guest WC. And we'll go back there in a minute. Going through to the left, this is your living room with your mini bar and tea and coffee making facilities over there, dining table for four, and they have what they call a vitrine, this glass display cabinet with treats laid out. So I happen to have cheese and crackers and some type of scone. So you are very close to the financial district here. We're in Central, which, as you would imagine, is very central, right in the heart of Hong Kong Island, near to loads of shops, designer shops, lots of malls, very close to the harbour again. As you can see, we've got Saint Laurent, Dolce & Gabbana, Burberry and Bulgari, Hermes, all within easy view. So TV is there, lounge area here as well. The L900, if I haven't said already, the 900 refers to the square footage. So this is 900 square feet. You have a smoked glass shower in there. The toiletries are by Diptyque. They very thoughtfully set up a romantic bat evening for me, which I didn't actually utilize, with lots of pink rose petals and a bat bomb there. But as you can see, again, it is really, really huge. So if you're a bat fan, this is a good place to go. Double sinks. There I am, toilet through there, and then moving on, here is the bedroom. Very, very comfy. TV just in front of it. You might just be able to see there's some yoga mats waiting for you there. They also do complimentary fitness classes here, apparently. We have storage in here. All of my rubbish, the lights come on automatically. Plenty of room for ambitious shoppers. And just as a finale, I'll give you another look at that amazing bathtub again. So there it is. That's your room tour of Landmark Mandarin Oriental Hotel Hong Kong's L900 suite. Room 1313 on the 13th floor, and 900 square foot room.